It's on a different island.
Oh, so I probably have to drain that.
Drain what?
Drain this whole thing. Somehow.
Okay.
Well, I don't know. It says I can't reach it.
Drain
Can't reach
drain
it.
the ocean.
Yeah, just drain it. It's fine.
There's also the mansion.
I'm not going there.
Okay.
No, I'm not going there. Unless... Oh. Can I sneak back in? I don't see why not.
It says trespassers not delivering foodstuffs will be persecuted.
No one's stopping me. Most brazen pirate ever. I'm just gonna walk right in there. Unless this isn't the same mansion.
Well, you said you'd be back.
I did. I did.
I'll be back.
I'll be back! Hi, dude.
Oh, it's Manny Calavera.
Hey!
There he is, Manny. That makes me even more excited that they're redoing that game.
Nice.
What am I supposed to do with this dude? Can I give him a banana? I mean...
Herman Toothrot. 10 Downing Street.
Yeah,
age
yeah.
21. Freelance.
I just noticed, like, they have the reflection here.
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty nice.
Hey, aren't you supposed to be in jail?
You must be confusing me with my cousin, Guybrush.
Oh, I see.
You should have said the last one.
resemblance is uncanny.
I broke out.
No, I don't want to go back there, though.
I think there's a fire in the kitchen.
Really? I'd better check it out.
Bye, Manny.
Careful with those pitons, or we'll fall into the jelly.
I think I almost woke him up.
More sauce on the goose, please. When thinking, the brain resembles a Swiss cheese.
It seems to go off before stuff comes out of the tube. I don't think this has been washed in about 10 years.
I wonder, do I need to use a stick to get this?
That doesn't seem to work.
I could give you a hint, but I don't know if you'd understand it. This is a LucasArts game.
There are crumbs and condiments all over it.
Think about one of the
There's
movies.
food or something stuck in the drain.
This is an homage to one of Lucas's movies. At least I believe so. I could be wrong. Tell me just to tell you.
It's little, mean-looking, and
Just
ugly.
thinking.
Just like Largo.
You want to get the book, but every time you seem to try to take it, he wakes up.
More sauce on the goose, please.
Ugh.
So what's causing him to wake up?
The alarm.
It seems to go off before stuff comes out of the tube.
I feel like I'm missing something.
I believe you can do it now.
That doesn't seem to work.
Figured maybe I could mute it. Guess.
Do you want to know?
Nah, I have a thing about light.
You and that damn hat.
I don't know.
Do you want another hint? I can give you another hint.
Yeah.
I do not believe it has anything to do with the alarm. With the alarm. It involves the book and using something with the book.
I don't think I should cut that.
Why not?
You really seem stumped by this.
Swap? It's like, Indiana Jones.
That's why I said. Think about another LucasArts game. I mean, Lucas...
I didn't even know he had anything to do with Indiana Jones.
Yeah. That,
I
remember?
thought it was just... Wasn't that Spielberg or something like that?
It's Lucas and Spielberg. Don't you remember the whole I'm here to sell these fine leather jackets came from a game, a LucasArts game about Indiana Jones?
Yeah. I got it eventually.
You did. Good for you. So now you have a new book. Pardon me. Ignore that.
Guybrush isn't a real pirate because he can read.
Cause he what?
Because he can read.
Yar.
Come on, Guybrush. Just move that way. Thank you.
Yar.
I don't think I need to go anywhere else there.
Well, what do we have?
A whole bunch of stuff we can use on the other island.
Okay. Well, then where should the next part be?
Where'd you want to go?
Booty!
Booty.
Whoa, we didn't have to watch the
Nope.
meandering.
It only happens once. Because
Sweet.
otherwise it'd be annoying as hell.
Well, that doesn't stop game places from doing that. Alright.
The bag is empty.
The bag is empty.
Yeah, but it doesn't know that until you tell it.
I'd like to buy this barrel.
That's great, huh? Too bad it's not for sale.
I'd like to buy this peg leg.
Yeah, I like that too. But it's not for sale.
So the only thing left to buy
There are other things.
is this map
there's the
that's
map piece,
the hubcaps,
hubcaps.
which I might be able to use for that pump.
Look around. There's other things. The collector's plate.
It's said that the infamous Greenbeard won that barrel from Long John Cooper in a poker game. Shame that it's empty.
I'd like to buy this treasure chest.
I only have one of those, so I need to keep it as a display model.
You're a pain in the ass.
I'd like to buy this bosun's wheel.
Yeah, I like that too, but it's not for sale.
I'd like to buy this thing.
That's one of my favorite things in the store, but I don't have enough back stock to sell it.
I'd like to buy this small picture frame.
That's great, huh? Too bad it's not for sale.
I'd like to buy this map piece.
That's 6
Look
million
in the
pieces
case.
of 8. Do you want it?
6
can't afford
million
that
pieces
much.
of 8.
Too bad.
I'd like to buy this feather pen.
Great! That'll be 10 pieces of 8.
Sure,
Okay, I'll take it.
I can see that
Let me
being
get you one
useful
from
eventually.
Overstock. Here you go.
Thank you. I'd like to buy these eye patches.
I just couldn't part with those. They have sentimental value.
I'd like to buy this cannon.
That's great, huh? Too bad it's not for sale.
I'd like to buy these hubcaps.
I see you have an eye for quality. They're 50 pieces of 8 each.
Okay, I'll take it.
I want to say
get you one
I
from
might need that
Overstock.
for the pump. It looks like it needs a wheel of some sort,
Here you go.
but I could be wrong.
Thank you.
This rock and roll thing I'm just ignoring. I hope no one likes the king.
3-hour tours.
3-hour
Last bottom boat. 3-hour tours.
2, 4, 6, 8. Come on, let's expectorate. Everybody already has the necessary equipment. Turn a disgusting habit into a prestige-winning skill.
Is this a tournament or a
Don't
no?
let this grass wither up and die. Juices Maximus has returned. Spit away!
I still don't feel like this is the right part.
You can do it, man!
You can do it. Once again, that doesn't quite qualify.
You need something
Now,
special to help you
how
out.
about the rest of you? What was that? Did I hear somebody swallow? Thousands will spit, hundreds will win. No volunteers. If Blackbeard were here, he'd shoot you all right now.
Come on. There we go.
See the world. Check it out.
Nothing going on here yet. Well, I can always try to get into Marley's
Last
party.
bottom boat.
Even though they're still gonna say I don't have a costume.
So why bother?
Hello again.
You talking to me, boy?
And what are the official purposes of this cannon?
I watch the sea. When the mail boat arrives, I blow this cannon. Dang ship's 3 days late.
You don't have a brother named Marty, do you?
Boy, the only Marty I know is Mardi Gras.
Who?
Mardi Gras. A joke, boy, a joke. You are here for Mardi Gras, aren't you?
Is this the right time of year for Mardi Gras?
Son, it's always Mardi Gras on Booty Island. I used to be the governor of this island, but I never had any time to come down here and enjoy the party. So I quit. And now I watch out for the mail boat, which reminds me, I have to get back to work.
So he might actually be the ex-pirate.
Maybe. But what was his name?
It was a different name, but what stops him from changing his name?
True. Cliff.
Random Cliff.
Scrambled!
Now let me in, you
Is there
biatch.
something I can help you with?
Yeah, your face.
What does that even mean?
I don't know.
You mentioned a party before?
Do you bring a costume and invitation?
I have this as my invitation.
I've got my invitation right here.
Well, what do you know? You do have an invitation. Do you have a costume?
This is my costume.
Nobody would willingly wear such a dopey costume.
Doesn't matter.
Gotta go. Keep up the good work.
I wonder. That might be the answer to this puzzle.
What?
I can't tell you.
Crap.
Oy.
Is there something I can help you with?
Gotta go. Keep up the good work.
How in the world? The only thing I haven't bought is that stupid rock and roll thing. And I haven't messed with the parrot much. Oh, what is that?
That's a real
can I
ship's
buy
horn,
that?
just like the ones used on modern ships.
I'd like to buy this ship's horn.
Excellent choice.
Can I?
That'll be 40 pieces of 8.
Yes.
Okay, I'll take it.
Let me get you
Remember
one
to
from Overstock.
search everything.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Sometimes even the smallest things can be clickable.
I think I have an idea for that. Oops.
I don't want to make that parrot mad.
Why? That's exactly what I want to do.
You want to make the parrot mad?
Yes.
I don't know how to play.
Why not? I mean, just maybe I can give it to.
I don't know how to play.
Well, maybe the parrot knows how to
I
play.
don't know how to play.
Suck.
Suck.
It says, beware of parrot.
How much is the retarded collector's plate that for some odd reason I might need?
The funniest thing is you can actually look at these things in your inventory, and you can get different descriptions.
This might make a nice wall hanging. Just like the pen from Mom and Dad's wedding. What a big organ. Made in Hong Kong. Mr. Willie Gorilla, arrested for grinding his organ in public. You are cordially invited to Governor Marley's Mardi Gras blowout. It's a ticket to some circus show. The Fettuccine Brothers. This reminds me of a story about a farm girl and... No, never mind. Mr. Guybrush Threepwood, arrested for infractions too numerous to list. Nice. It's a stick. It may be old, but it's still shiny and sharp. When the tears come, shouldn't you be prepared? Stan's previously owned coffins. Famous pirate quotations. Happiness is a warm manatee. Old skunk eye. Kiss me, I've got scurvy. Rapscallion.
Darn!
Fester Leech. Violets are blue, roses are red. We're coming aboard. Prepare to eat lead. Barney Gout. Mouthwash. We don't need no stinking mouthwash. Commander Buttonhead.